Hey everyone, today is January the 4th, 2009. This is part 5 of my Blacksmith Shop series. Parts 1 through 4, if you saw any of those, were just basically updates on the construction phase of the building itself, mostly all on the exterior. So there's a quick brief look again of the outside. Double doors underneath that porch overhang, double doors here on this end, and then a side entrance door here on the end, close to the firewood, handy for the wood stove right inside. So we'll go inside this door and take a look around. Okay, there's my little wood burner. Little Forest 281 wood stove. Don't know much about it. I just think it's an old stove. There's a pile of rusted parts when I had it given to me by a friend, so got her put together and painted up and fixed up. Making real good use of it. Heats this shop just fine. To the left as we came in, I've got just some cubby hole shelf storage here. Nuts and bolts and this and that. Put some little bins on the side here for some long rods and bar stock. There's the door we just came in. And then of course there's the double doors that open up to the outside on the end. It's not on the under the overhang porch. Just a metal steel cabinet there I'm using for firewood storage. There's a little ledge and shelf area below that window I built just to kind of sit at there with the stool, and I want to keep my kind of library of books and manuals and reference material. Get a shelf up there on the wall and get that stuff up and out of the way. Now let's go into the other room, the main part of the blacksmith shop. Right straight ahead there, there's the forge, an old Buffalo blower table forge. Really nice. It's working out just great. Buffalo 200 crank there. Does great. There's the double doors that are underneath the porch overhang out front. And so as I stand here at the forge and work in the fire, there's my Peterite, my working anvil there. Right across from that, or right straight behind me, right behind the forge, is about a 3.5 inch leg vise I've got mounted on the wall there. Just handy for little twists and bends and things instead of going over to the main bench a little farther away. There's my tong rack, just a nail keg filled with a little bit of sand and the tongs stuck in. Other side of it is my hammer rack. Again, there's a better look at the workbench and the stouter, bigger leg vise there. Just some small shelf area there for anvil hardies and little tools that I need now and then and again. Just behind the forge is I'm convinced it's a Hay Budden, a real nice anvil. I may soon start to use it as my working anvil. Beautiful, nice ring to it. There's the nice looking post drill right there. I'll make use of that. on the tool collection hung on the walls. And there's another bit of cubby hole shelf storage there, up and above out of the way above that window. So, oh, there's another Peter right there. So, I'm anxious to learn more and do more. Any tips and advice I can get from anyone who has blacksmithing knowledge and experience, why, I'm willing to listen, willing to learn. I'll give you a quick look at these shelf brackets. I'm kind of proud of those shelf brackets. I want to do a few more things like that. Now there's some quick view of some of the little stuff I've done. Like I said, I haven't done a whole lot, and I wish to learn and do a whole lot more. So there's the shop. I'll give you an update again. Thanks for watching.